Alright, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Toyota RAV4 Cruiser Hybrid, stock reference number 5691. This shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has an A25A 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. A25A 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tidy rear, tailgate garnish. Tailgate in good condition. Right hand tailgate garnish. Factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has a small fold on the rear edge of the door. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, sat nav display, JBL type, auto dim interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.